Hi guys, I'm Shazad from Xsplit.com and welcome in Xsplit. Today we're gonna show you how can you install the Xsplit video editor. So guys, we have already discussed about the VCam. We have already downloaded and installed the VCam in our machines. So now I'm sharing my desktop. So here, as you can see, this is the official website Xsplit. So slash video editor. If you find the Xsplit video editor from the Google. So as you can see, this is the Xsplit video editor. Video editor is a powerful enough. Just click on the first link. So this is the first link. Okay, fine. So now here, as you can see, this is the light, faster, and free. So this is the light, faster, and free tool. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, fine. Okay, now as you can see, it's saying Express Video Editor, light, faster, and free, the perfect way for creating short blah blah blah. You can also read the entire documentations from here. So it's designed for streamers. If you are a streamer, then definitely it's this software is only for you. From stream to mem in a seconds. So you can create or you can edit your videos in a second. They are saying okay, remove barrier and work faster. So as you can see, make the most out of your content. Fine, what you need, just need to click on the download button, because you can also have a download button here and also in the bottom. Just click on the download button and it's absolutely free. You don't need to buy the license for this particular software. Okay, just click on the save buttons. I have already downloaded this particular video editor from the Xsplit website. Okay, now you just need to download this one. I have already downloaded the version 3.0.2 while I'm recording this lecture. Okay, so now just click on the opening XVE installer. So as you can see, this is the Xsplit Express video editor. Just click on the yes button, checking for the new version. So it's checking for the newer version. I have just downloaded from the official website. Okay, fine. So welcome to the Xsplit Express video editor setup wizard. Okay, just click on the next button or select your desired language. So I'm selecting the English language. So fine. So as you can see, next. So here you can install the Xsplit video editor. Okay, so you can also select your path. It's up to you where you are installing. Just click on the next button. So it's creating the shortcuts desktop and also menu program folder. So I'm saying yes, I'm saying just install this bad boy. Okay, so now it's installing the software out of the box. So as you can see, it takes few seconds to install the softwares. So if you want to remove the backgrounds by using the VCam, which is a Xsplit software, in just $8 per month. So you can download and install the Xsplit VCam software from the official website. We also have the videos, how can you download, how can you install, and how can you configure. So what you need, just need to find out our videos only on YouTube. Okay, fine, we have installed the software here. As you can see, this is the software we have installed. Just click on the finish one. So we are going to open the software. Okay, fine. Here, as you can see, this is the software we have just installed. So you can give the file out of the box. We are not going to teach you how this software works. We will teach you in our later lectures, but for now, in this way, you can download and install the Xsplit video editor. And fine. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any updates. So thank you for watching.